Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and initial setup review of the Galaxy Fit 3 band. So recently during the Flipkart sale, the Fit 3 band was available for about close to 3099 rupees. So this is the price exactly the discount has got. And after using the cashback offer and supercoin offer, I was able to get the deal close to like 28,999 the price. So after the few supercoins I've used and even the cashback offer from Flipkart Axis Bank. And right now I'll be able to show you exactly a quick initial setup and the overall review about the how the watch gonna be there. Let me quickly unbox the Galaxy Fit 3. So basically, I ordered this watch, especially not any other watches, because only for the main purpose of the fitness tracking. I do know this watch doesn't have any kind of calling functionality or like loudspeaker. You cannot take any kind of calls, nothing at all. But still, I just want the basic fitness watch which can actually track accurate results. So that is the reason I thought of choosing the something from the trusted brand from the Samsung, which is a Galaxy Fit 3. And this the exact manufacture date was September 2025. So that is what the displayed manufacture date on this box. So in the box, you do get the watch, and let me try to show you what else you can actually get in the watch. So there should be a charger as well. So this is a Type C to normal magnetic pin charger, which is present with the Galaxy Watch 3, and there will be a couple of papers provided in the box. Let me quickly turn on this Samsung Galaxy Watch Fit 3. And I'm going to test this fitness tracking for the next couple of days, and I'll try to post every day some shots as well, that like always the overall step accuracy and everything. I'll try to post. And right now, this is a Samsung Galaxy S25 phone. As soon as I bought the phone near to that and the watch switched on, it automatically detected in the phone itself directly. So right now it's getting the confirmation, and there's an initial quick setup process involved at this moment. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So let me have to click. So let's click, yeah. So hello calendar, yep. So let me try to allow everything. So once you allow everything, so getting the band ready. So this is an initial quick setup review on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 band. And in case if you have any other questions or any other doubts related to the Galaxy Fit 3 band, let me know in the comment section as well. So let's look the left hand. Yep, perfect. Next, track your daily activities. Yes. So mainly for the tracking fitness activities and the sleeping tracking as well, all those uses. That is the reason I thought of selecting the minimalistic design. So without any kind of much like bulky type of watch. So right now, finally the watch has been set up here. So let me to update the band. So right, there's a small update, I guess. So I'm trying to update it before I start using the Galaxy Fit 3 band. So for around close to 3000 rupees, it's a pretty good deal. So I can say from the trusted Samsung brand, which is really good. So I'm going to quickly wear the watch and let's see. And let me know in the comment section below, friends, in case if you have any other questions or any other doubts on this Galaxy Fit 3 band as well. And this is my first time wearing this watch as well. So this is a small size version which I did order at this moment, not the big one. So because I want something like very small itself, not the big one. So that is the reason. So yeah, it's kind of pretty good and neat, not bad. It's not that much heavy also in terms of the weight of the watch. And all of the battery seems kind of pretty good. That is what the reviews suggest. I'll try to definitely check the battery rating test as well. I'm going to charge the watch before I start using like completely. So once I start using the watch, then we'll be able to understand how is the battery tracking and how is the steps tracking and everything. So already I can see the steps, some of that are detected at this moment. I think from the watch it's got detected, I guess. Let me to check. Yeah, sleep activity, weather, calendar, music. So let's check my heartbeat sensor right now, how much it will be there. And this is my first time testing in the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 band as well. So 92. So which is like general, yeah, cycling. So swiping from the down, you get the notification. This side notification toggle, you get all the activities you can actually access here, steps and calorie tracking and everything. Swiping from bottom will give you the different applications, remote camera and everything. If you try to connect to the Samsung phone, you do get this kind of options like remote camera, calculator and everything, as you can see. So overall, this is a quick initial test review, guys, on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 band in terms of the unboxing and the initial experience only. So as I said, once after trying to use this band for a couple of days, I'll try to show you. And every day I'll try to like maintain. My target was close to like 10,000 steps every day. So that is the reason I thought of buying some fitness tracker to maintain these accurate results. So let's see how will my like tracking activity goes. Like every day I'll try to keep a video as well regarding that how many steps I'm trying to walk at the end of the day. Like did I reach that 10,000 steps milestone or not? So you do have different watch face interface available in the application itself. As you can see, so many watch face interfaces available, different styles, plenty of designs. So for me, the calling functionality is not much needed in the watch. So like that is the reason I did not prioritize and buy keeping that thing in the mind. I do know there are a lot of watches available below this price as well, like 2000 below, but I want something like trusted and good brand. That is the reason I thought of choosing the Samsung one. So previously I did use a couple of Samsung watches. So that's the reason right now there's an update going on at this moment. But this is a quick information, guys, which I thought of letting you guys know. In case if you have any other doubts regarding this Galaxy Watch Fit 3, let me know in the comment section below. And 13 days of charging time, that is what I did mention, as you can see, 13 days. And especially for the fitness tracking and for the sleep tracking. These are the two reasons only I bought this accurate tracking Galaxy Fit 3 watch. So overall, this is a quick information which I thought of giving you all. And I'm going to charge this watch right now. And then I'll try to use completely. After charging 100%, I'm going to use for the next couple of days. Every day I'll try to see how much battery is there in the watch as well at the end of the day. So since this is not like completely smartwatch, like you just get the fitness tracking only. So that is the reason I will try to check the battery, how the battery is maintaining in this watch as well. There's so many settings you can actually choose from the application also. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, the quick information about the unboxing and the initial setup experience of the Galaxy Fit 3 band. For 3,000 rupees, definitely it's kind of worth for the fitness tracker lovers. I would definitely say that. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and see you in the next video, and bye.